Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the different types of blockchain in the blockchain technology. Do you know that there are 4 different types of blockchains and most of the people know only 2 blockchains, that is public and private blockchain. So today, we will clearly know about the different types of blockchains. So there are 4 different types of blockchain, that is the public blockchain, private blockchain, hybrid blockchain and federated blockchain. So this blockchain is also called as a consortium blockchain, federated or consortium blockchain. First one, public blockchain is open and transparent. The name itself denotes that it is open to all and it is transparent. So that means every transaction is visible to all the users in the network. And the private blockchain, so it has a limited or controlled access to the network. So only that authorized persons can access the network. Next, hybrid blockchain. It is a combination of both public and private blockchain. Next one is the federated blockchain. So it is a group authority. That means the group of organizations form the federated blockchain. So we will know in detail about these different types of blockchains now. So introduction to the types of blockchains. So why do we need the different types of blockchain here? So only one type of blockchain is enough, right? But why we are going for the different types of blockchains? So based on the access control, ownership and usage, blockchains are mainly classified into 4 types, that is public blockchain, private blockchain, consortium blockchain and hybrid blockchains. Each type is designed to meet the different requirements such as transparency, privacy, security and speed. So different types of blockchains are used in different fields like cryptocurrency, banking, healthcare, supply chain and government systems. So first one is the public blockchain. The public blockchain. So a public blockchain is open to everyone. So that means it is accessible to all the users. Anyone can join a network, verify the transactions and help in maintaining the system. So it is open to all. So in order to join a public blockchain, a user needs network, that is internet connection, and hardware, that is a computer or a mobile phone to join the blockchain. So a person needs only these 2 things. Public blockchain are fully decentralized blockchains. That means anyone can join the network. And here in the public blockchain, users are anonymous. Anonymous means their ID or names are not known to other person in the same blockchain also. So it is anonymous. And here there is no permission to read or access at a time. So here every node in the blockchain has a copy of all the other nodes in the blockchain. The key features are permissionless. That means no special access is needed to access the blockchain, and fully decentralized. So no central authority is controlling it. So each user has equal and independent authority on the blockchain. Transparent. So all the transactions done in this blockchain are visible to all the users. Next, examples of this blockchain are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Use cases are cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. Next. So next one is the private blockchain. So private blockchain is a restricted blockchain where only selected people or organizations can participate in the blockchain network. So this is the opposite to the public blockchain. Okay. So in the public blockchain, everything is open and transparent, whereas in the private blockchain, it is a limited access. So that means it is a closed network. It forms a closed network. It has a limited access to the people. That means it is restricted or open to some users only. Okay. So the key features are permissioned blockchain. The private blockchain is a permission blockchain. That means a participant needs the approval from the organization or the company to join the network. Centralized control by a single entity or organization. Like public blockchain, this is not a decentralized completely decentralized blockchain. It has some centralized control. So suppose a company is running a blockchain, that company has a centralized control on this blockchain. If a user wants to join the network, then he must get the authorized access. That means he must be a part of the company. Then only he can access the network. The faster transaction speeds and more privacy, because in the private blockchain the number of users are limited and only authorized persons, the limited people can access the blockchain. That's why the transactions are fast and there is more privacy, because only authorized persons are accessing the network. It has a more privacy. So use cases are internal company process, private audits and secure data sharing. Next, Consortium Blockchain. So it is a semi-decentralized blockchain managed by a group of organizations rather than just one. It is a semi-decentralized blockchain because here some group of entities are having the central control over the blockchain here. So don't get confused between the private blockchain and consortium blockchain, because in the private blockchain there is only one single entity, single authority is there, right? But in the consortium blockchain there are multiple parties are having the control here. Okay, multiple group of organizations are controlling the blockchain. Key features are permissioned. That means only approved organizations can participate. So here the multiple organizations are there. Only the organization approved person can access the blockchain. There is a shared control. That means the governance is distributed among the members. Okay. So the multiple entities must cooperate with each other to run the blockchain. Next, good balance of privacy and decentralization. So it has a good balance of both privacy and decentralization. The use case is banking networks, supply chains and industry collaborations. Next, hybrid blockchain. Here in the hybrid blockchain, it is a combination of both public and private blockchains. So here some data or functions are open to the public and while others are restricted. The key features are control access combined with the transparency where needed. Okay, and flexible. The rules are customized. So some features may be taken from public blockchain and some may be taken from the private blockchain. So it attempts to get the best of both worlds, that is security and openness. So it is mainly used in the industries that need both public verification and private confidentiality, like healthcare or government systems. Next. So there is a comparison table of different types of blockchains. So through this table you will get a clear-cut vision about the different types of blockchain without any confusion. So first is who controls the different blockchains. So public blockchain is controlled. So there is no person is controlling the public blockchain, whereas the private and consortium is having some control. Okay, so in the private, one organization will control the blockchain. Here multiple companies will control the consortium blockchain. And hybrid, it is a combination of both public and private. Okay, who can join? So anyone can join the public blockchain. Only approved persons can join the private blockchain, and certain organizations approved persons can join the consortium blockchain. And access method is permissionless for public blockchain and permission for both private and consortium blockchains. So in the hybrid we are mostly using the both features of public and private. So that's why I am not discussing about the private here. Next, transparency. So transparency is high in the public blockchain, right? Every transaction will be clearly visible to other users in the blockchain, whereas it is low in private blockchain and it is permission in the consortium blockchain. Why? Because there are multiple companies participating in the network. Next, privacy is low in the public blockchain, whereas it is high and both in the private and consortium blockchains. Why privacy is low in public blockchain means any person can access the network. So that's why privacy is low in the public blockchain. And speed is also slow because multiple users are accessing the network. That's why it is slow. And it is fast in private blockchain and consortium blockchain. The use cases are cryptocurrency for public blockchain, company data for private blockchain, and banking and supply chain for consortium blockchain, and healthcare and government systems for the hybrid blockchain. So these are the different types of blockchain. Hope you understand the video well, and if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section. So if you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.